Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have already made a video on top railway stocks in my previous video. So if you haven't watched the video yet, then I'll give you the link in the I button so that you can definitely watch. So without wasting time, let's get ahead. So in today's video, I will be talking about 4 stocks related to the defense sector based on my personal study and my research. So just a small disclaimer, this video is not a buy or sell recommendation. मैं सिर्फ अपनी एनालाइज और अपना ओपिनियन शेयर कर रहा हूँ फॉर द एजुकेशनल पर्पस. The first stock on my list is HAL, which is known as a Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So even though the stock corrected around 10% within 3 days after the Q4 result, but one interesting thing is that many brokerage firms like Jefferies and Nuvama actually increase their target price for the company. For example, Jefferies retained its buy rating on HAL and increased its target price to rupees 6,300, which actually shows the strong long-term confidence in the company. So HAL mainly works in the fighter aircraft, helicopters and defense aviation project for India. और कंपनी का फोकस करंटली तेजस एयरक्राफ्ट डिलीवरी एंड उसके अदर डिफेंस प्रोग्राम पे काफी ज्यादा है. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द फाइनेंशियल, द Q4 numbers actually look very strong. So the revenue has increased from around 8625 crore in December 25 to around 15106 crore in March 26. और प्रॉफिट में भी एक्सेप्शनली ग्रोथ देखने मिला है. So the profit has increased from around 1866 crore to around 4196 crore in just one quarter. लेकिन कंपनीज कुछ चैलेंजेस भी फेस कर रही है, like HAL is facing delays in Tejas aircraft delivery because of the supply chain and execution related issues. So according to me, future execution and timely deliveries will be the biggest thing to watch for this company. The second stock on my list is Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, and honestly डिफेंस सेक्टर में ये कंपनी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है बिकॉज ये कंपनी मेनली वॉरशिप, सबमरीन और नेवल डिफेंस प्लेटफॉर्म बनाती है फॉर इंडिया. सो रिसेंटली HDFC Securities मेंटेन अ बाय रेटिंग ऑन द स्टॉक एंड केप्ट अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ अराउंड 3000 रुपीज. इसका मतलब ब्रोकरेज फर्म्स अभी भी कंपनी के लॉन्ग टर्म ग्रोथ पे काफी पॉजिटिव दिख रहे हैं. Mazagon Dock also reported strong Q4 numbers, so कंपनी का प्रॉफिट अराउंड 327 करोड़ से बढ़ के नियरली 464 करोड़ तक पहुंच गया है, which is actually a very strong jump. So recently, the company also supported IIT Madras for a maritime research facility. The third stock on my list is Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineers, also known as a GRSE, और ये कंपनी मेनली वॉरशिप्स और डिफेंस शिप बनाने का काम करती है फॉर द इंडियन नेवी. सो बेसिकली इंडिया का नेवल डिफेंस सेक्टर में इसका काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल माना जाता है. नाउ इफ यू look at the recent result, the company actually reported a very strong number. So the net profit increased around 24% from 244 crore to around 303 crore, and at the same time the revenue has also increased from around 1640 crore to around 2119 crore. So after the Q4 result, the stock reacted very positively in the market. The GRSE jumped around 14% after the result announcement, and honestly last few months में भी stock ने काफी strong rally दिखाई है. So now one more thing interesting, that the both foreign investors and domestic investors slightly increased their shareholding in the company on the Q-on-Q basis. So the foreign investors increased from around 2.96% to around 3.51%, and at the same time mutual funds holding also slightly increased from 1.44% to around 1.50%. So this clearly shows that both foreign and domestic investors are showing interest in the company. So according to many analysts, the company still has a strong order book which gives good revenue visibility for the upcoming years. The fourth and the final stock on my list is IdeaForge, or honestly this company makes the list really interesting because it mainly works in the drone sector. So IdeaForge mainly develops drone and advanced drone technology system, और कंपनी का फोकस डिफेंस, सर्वेलेंस, मैपिंग और कॉम्बैट ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी पे काफी ज्यादा है. So recently the company has also been expanding into the combat drone segment, which could become a huge opportunity in the upcoming years. Now coming to the financial, so the company reported its highest ever quarterly revenue. So the revenue increased from around 20 crore to around 141 crore, which is actually a massive jump. So at the same time, the company also moved from loss to profit. So earlier company loss में थी, but now it is reported a profit of around 60 crore. So one more important point is that company received the order of around 530 crore, which is the highest in its history. लेकिन an important disclaimer, this stock is already trading near its all time high level, so please blindly invest मत करना, proper research और study करने के बाद ही investment decision लेना. So again this video was only for the educational purpose. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which different stocks you are personally tracking right now.